the swing accuracy. Oh, that's worth the shot too. That's worth the shot too. There's another one. The Scottish batsman played the fast bowlers very well. They have this issue straight away into the innings. Outside edge, where's that second slip? Beautifully bowled again. On a
came back, hit the tops. Bowled in. It's not 1 for 6, it's 2 for 6. Ends on a real high, Mohammad.
too quick. Bowled inside edge, and he has his first wicket on return. Bowled and struck exactly the same as the previous innings.
All over Mohammad Amir. Terrific return for him. Beautiful bowling.
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे
Good catch. Very good, sharp catch. Azhar Ali is the man at third.
Nicked and gone, and he just walks on. Oh, he has, he's had a goal.
Edged. And has he been taken? Yes. Vince again, 42 again, Amir again.
Oh. He's just still standing there. And he isn't going. Ball down. Inside edge out walks. He just got to on this time.
Inside edge, it didn't swing, but it has demolished Roy's stumps.
Highly wicket
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा लौट के वापस जा न सका
That's the length and a great line. Got him immediately on getting to 50. Roston Chase is.
He's hit it, I think, has he? He got him. So if he hasn't hit it, I think Warner's. That's it. It works. Brilliant from Mohammad Amir. Top cricket by Pakistan and Matthew Wakeman.
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे
Straight it up.
Ouch, yes, well taken again. First slip. He's judged that
ऐ
nicely.
मेरी ज़मीं
Straight up in the air. And that is the end of David Warner. Still a big shout. Has he got Androids this one? In the air, out. Got him straight to cover. Short one. Is this an edge? No. Butts in the air. This will be out. That's the tip. Knocked him over with a beauty. Got it full. This time went straight up. There's one way of doing it. If he's not nicking it, ball straight at him. That one nipped away from Warner. Was looking to play on the onside. There's two big wickets for you. Captain and vice-captain go together. Beautiful delivery. He was expecting the ball to come in rather.